everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed exercise 8.3 question number 4. In this video, we are going to start with question number 5. So, let's start. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay? So, what is given? Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree and 4a is an acute angle, so we have to find the value of a. Given sec 4a is equal to cosec okay. Given sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, this is given, and we know that we have learned earlier. Remember that sec a is equal to cosec 90 minus a, or cosec a is equal to sec 90 minus a. So over here we will write sec a is equal to cosec 90 minus a. Okay, sec a is equal to cosec 90 degree minus a, or over here is written sec 4a, so instead of sec a we are going to write sec 4a also. Okay, sec 4a. Now sec 4a is equal to sec a is equal to cosec 90 minus a, then sec 4a will be equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a, right? Okay, now we can say that over here say sec 4a is cosec a minus 20 degree and sec 4a is also cosec 90 degree minus 4a. So we can write cosec 90 degree minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, right? Why? Because cosec 90 degree minus 4a is sec 4a and cosec a minus 20 degree is also sec 4a, right? So we can say that cosec a minus 20 degree is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. Okay, or over here cosec a minus 20 degree is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. We can write this as a minus 20 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 4a, right? Now a 4a will come over here, plus 4a is equal to 90 degree plus 20 degree. Okay, or 5a, 4a plus a is 5a, and 9 plus 2 is 11, 110, 110 degree. A is equal to 110 by 5, right? 5 2s are 10, again 5 2s are 10, or a is equal to 22 degree. So what is the answer? Over here it is written find the value of a. We have already found out the value of a. What is it? It's 22 degree. So this is the answer. With this we have completed question number 5. In the next video I am going to be back with question number 6 of exercise 8.3. So if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me please click on subscribe button. Thank you.